Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to enable or disable augmented reality on Opera GX. So to enable or disable sites from being able to access augmented reality, that is create some 3D of your environment, then what you do is from the home page you open up the settings. I prefer using the shortcut alternative and P. So the alternate and the P opens up your settings, and then you scroll all the way down to site settings under privacy and security. Scroll down to additional permissions, click on the arrow to open up additional permissions, and then you see the option for augmented reality. Now this is when the site, that means the site might ask you, might want to create a 3D map of your surroundings or track camera position. Once you open it up, you can see normally sites usually track your camera position for augmented reality features like games or heads-up directions. So if you want to enable augmented reality for sites, you will leave this clicked on. That means how to be able to ask. You'll be able to ask when it wants to create a 3D map of your surroundings or track camera position. If you do not want it to, you don't allow the site to create a 3D map of your surroundings or track camera position, then you turn it off here. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.